Hey there, trading buddies. Guess what? In just 15 weeks of this strategy we've been testing, has pulled in a massive 661% profit. Now, isn't that something to chat about? We've been trying this out on the Ethereum chart using a 5-minute time frame, and the results, they're simply fantastic, but don't let that limit you. You can try it out on a pair, any market or any time frame. Well, the strategy has hit the bullseye with an 84% win rate out of 100 trades. And trust me, that's not a small feat at all. All right, let's dive into the strategy. I'm going to teach you. All we need are 2 indicators and a bit of patience, about 8 minutes to fully grasp how to make money with it. Head over to the TradingView website and add the fake out indicator designed by this amazing scripter to your chart from the indicator section. Big shout out to him or her, by the way. Now it's time to tweak the settings. Just follow along as I make some adjustments. The indicator identifies pivot points and draws support and resistance areas on your chart. And let's check out the strategy. These points are your cues for entering buy and sell trades. But hold on a second. There's more to this strategy that I'm going to teach you. The second indicator we're going to use is called the EMA 203.7 crossover. But hold up. We're not going to use the default values of this indicator, so we need to make some adjustments to fit our strategy. Once we've added this indicator to our chart, you'll see 2 lines we're going to call one May slow and the other May turtle. These 2 lines are key to identifying the trend. If the mass slow is above the MA turtle and the price is above both, we've got ourselves an uptrend. On the flip side, if the May slow is below the May turtle and the price is below both, that's a downtrend. So open a position with this strategy. We've got 2 conditions to meet. First off, for a sell trade, we need a bearish trend. Next step, we've got to wait for a bearish breakout. So if both these conditions are met, go ahead and open a sell trade. And don't forget about risk management. You can set your stop either above the recent swing or above the moving average. As for your target, aim for the risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, and hey, keep it simple and you'll do just fine. Yeah. Well, let's talk about opening a long position. We've got a couple of boxes to tick off here. First things first, we're going to look for a bullish trend. Once that's in place, we're all set to wait for a bullish breakout. So if these 2 stars align, you're good to go with your long trade. Remember, managing your risk is key. So consider setting your stop loss either below the recent swing or below the moving average. For your profit target, a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 should do the trick. Keep these pointers in mind and you're all set for success. And if you're still on the fence about picking a trading strategy, this recommended video is just what you need. It's packed with useful tips and info that could help you make a smart choice. So don't let this chance to boost your trading game slip by.